of State, His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta.
Thutha wa gucerithirio kuhaneka kwa ihinda ria mieri 6 mihituku, President Kenyatta niarekereirie ndumiriri yake kuri bururi umuthi hindi ya gikaro kia hamwe kia bunge ya bururi na ya Senate ta uria kwendekithitio gatiba-ini ya bururi.
The Speaker of the National Assembly.
Gikaro giki gikihaneka kurumirira morito ma king'uki gia COVID-19 na maria makoretwo magomeire bururi mwaka uyu, undu uria ucungiriirie namba ya bunge aria megwikinyitie gikaro-ini giki kia umuthi kunyihio na gikiro kinene ta njira ya guthingatithia mawatho ma guthaitira COVID-19. Nona kuri uguo ndereti iria yumanite na riboti ya BBI ni yumiririe ndumiriri-ini ino ya President Kenyatta kuria uritie muingi na atongoria kwa hamwe kunyitana gukinyaniria riboti ino kuona iri na kihonia kia mihinga mingi ikoragwo igumiire bururi kiuteti kwa ihinda iraya.
This moment in time is our meeting with destiny. When generations come long after we are gone, let them say that we made the right decisions at this moment, that we chose unity over division, that we dreamt of and birthed a happier, more harmonious and prosperous nation.
President ningi niahuthirire ndumiriri ino yake kuhurira ndebe riboti ya BBI, akiuga kioneki kinene kiayo ni kunyitithania akenya othe hatari guthutukania kinduriri, undu umwe na gwaka ndaraca cia kiuteti niguo gutigirira akenya othe ni makuruhanitio.
Major changes are needed to our constitution and other laws so as to lay the foundation for the prosperous future that we seek. As a people, we must seize this constitutional moment, as I have said, to ensure that we deliver to future generations of Kenyan the future that they deserve.
Ndumiriri ino yukite uriria atongoria na anyitite mihonge-ini itiganite makoretwo makiruta mawoni mao ngurani megie BBI, kuria ingi mathiite na mbere kwendekithia gukorwo na mweke wa kumitabaniria mogaruruku niguo gukinyaniria mawoni ma Akenya othe.
Indeed, as we progress to the next phase of this, I urge all Kenyans to constructively consider the recommendations therein. Let us continue to address ourselves to these issues with a view to effecting far-reaching changes that will address the perennial challenges that we have faced as a nation. The challenges of negative ethnicity, inclusion, equitable development, and indeed our fight against corruption.
President akihinyiriria rucio rwa bururi uyu ni rurabatara gutabanirio mogaruruku ma gigatiba niguo rugakorwo ruri rwega gukwa githingata Akenya kwa kuguoyohio hari gutabania mogaruruku maya.
This, fellow Kenyans, is what our future looks like. A Kenya where no one will ascend to a high public office on account of their tribe. A Kenya where no capable person will wallow in poverty because of poor governance. A Kenya where our potential as a people will be exploited for the greatness of our nation.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Jitago Maura, Wagunya.